All right, what is it? What time is it? 8:35?
Yeah, 8:35.
What what did we just do?
Closing up some invoices. So
Yeah.
gotta do a little bit of everything around here.
Yeah, we did a few things, but I'm happy with the organization of the tires. Yeah. So we're closing up. What do we do usually? You wanna I think we should what?
The process.
Air compressor, yeah.
Well, right now that we've got the heater going, so turn our
There's an
heater off.
air leak. Did you hear it leaking?
Oh, that's the air line going to the heater.
So there's a leak somewhere.
Yeah, there is definitely.
What did we do today? Oh, let's do that. Oh, that's the one. Dozer, DEF dozer was messed up. I mean, not the DEF dozer, the crack, which I actually showed a video. I shot a video on that one. New owner op, 2001. That's an N14, isn't it?
No, D12.
Sorry, it's a D12. Yeah. I keep mixing it with our tow truck. 26. That's the only thing we had over here. That DEF dozer. 70. We're doing a swap on the back end. We're actually rebuilding the back end, right?
Yep.
We were gonna put it. Yeah, we're gonna put a different one from a different truck, but we decided to rebuild it since we have all the parts. This was a lot of things, a lot of small things. It's a wash for sure, and then tires and small stuff. They're so dirty.
Tires gonna rebuild the fifth wheel on this one.
Yep, the fifth wheel rebuild, and just simple stuff. Carlos, are you done? No, he's not. We're reorganizing the parts. This is
Nice right now.
it's better. It was a pretty bad mess, and we are redoing everything. We did some outside storage. We're running out of space. That's the problem. We stripped 2 trucks for parts. One the rack that we had the D13, and then the other one we're just trying to stack up all the parts here. We have to do something with the tables. The engines.
4 tables.
4 tables. We're gonna build a table out of that. I would paint it and put it as a table. 36 our glider. We just did small stuff, just tires right now. But you want to talk about what's been happening? We've been not posting videos at all, and
Yeah, we're really busy.
we're behind. Yeah. Let's put this here for a second. All right, so let's talk about what's been happening, because we haven't been posting. We haven't even talked about it.
For a couple of weeks now.
Yeah.
It's been what, easy 3 weeks?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we haven't posted anything. I'll do probably this video, a shop closeout, closing out shop for tomorrow. But what I'm thinking is, a couple things are happening. We're extremely busy with the shop. We have people off, and our manager didn't work out, so we've been piled up with just not only a lot of paperwork, but also
Ordering up parts.
yeah. We were caught. We were down 2 people. One left for vacation, and then they work out with our manager, and that was like 3 big projects we did for iShift, 2 iShifts, and some EGR cooler. It was just a lot of paperwork, so we haven't really had time to shoot. But we have new things coming up. I did tell you today I have 2 quotes coming for the studio we're going to build in the shop. So we're going to build a podcasting studio / my office.
Nice.
So we'll see how that's going to go, and then we'll just have to dig ourselves out from all the paperwork and the
We got it. We're getting there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Well, I'm learning something new. Working.
I know.
Doing the paperwork.
Yeah.
It's a little Something new.
It is, but also, what do you think about? We should do a review about Full Bay. We're
It's
using
a
Full Bay.
really,
We haven't
really nice
We haven't talked about it.
software.
Yeah, I really like it.
Cloud-based, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's really neat.
So Full Bay, if you're watching, we like you. What else? We're adding trucks. We're adding owners, and that's also a lot of paperwork. Not a lot of paperwork, but just a lot of in general
Prepping,
prep.
yeah.
A lot of prep. And we're looking for trucks.
Yeah.
We haven't seen trucks.
Well, we got 2 owners outside waiting, right? To get
We have 2. Yeah, we're getting 2. We have 2. We did 3 last week.
Last weekend.
Which the running it's October, so end of October I would say, peak is around the corner, and I'm surprised how many actually guys are. Well, we're getting a lot of recommendations. Like one guy just calls his buddies and then they bring 2 or 3, which works.
Spreading the word, thanks.
Yeah, thank you guys. So what else? That's it. We got almost I was gonna say Mexican flag, but that's not a Mexican flag. What is it? Yellow, red, and I don't know. We're too tired. It's 9 p.m. Let's go home. So we'll keep you guys posted. We are gonna run a live podcast soon. So we're gonna let you guys know and prep questions.
Any shop managers interested?
And any shop managers interested, let us know. Full Bay experience required. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.